strong and dead or y'all know what fight back?
Nah, man, I ain't fighting back. I ain't fighting back for myself, I fighting back for my 3 children. Katasha Rodriguez and Emmanuel Rodriguez I got to fight back for. So let them know though. Why want rights? The king and all them know that.
Who you going to see?
Oh, Chase Spring, you don't wake up for time. When they see the guy that the bread on my office, how you gonna want job? I paid me money last week and look what happened in my office today.
So surprising thing saying that's how some of the buildings were abandoned was
It was.
but
Some was.
he would discriminately break down
He break
abandoned
down everything. He break down what abandoned. We using. We look clean and nice. Everything.
and Darling had no prior notice, no written.
Never had no notice.
Did they tell y'all about it? Because he was saying something about y'all had at least verbal notice at some meeting.
We had no notice. Never had a notice. Never. It was shock to me. It was shock to me. When I hear about some notice and some month extension or something like that, it was a shock to me.
And they were saying about the place untidy and people not paying the money, the 1500.
Start with my belly. This is the last one I pay out the to show you all the receipts.
And when last did you pay this?
Friday, we're gone. Look, the date is there.
It's just like
look,
it's just
all
like
the faces
they move us off the road. Friend, Mother's Day, the Friday before Mother's Day, they collect revenue on the road.
But this was the recent one up to Friday, we're gone to come.
And they were saying that only a small amount they're paying. You know,
yes, because it's only a small amount working.
Okay.
This amount with the hair, this is the amount that working, this is the amount that paying. The rest who's not paying is who.
And then they moved. Okay. They didn't ask who wasn't working anymore. They just break down everybody's stuff.
By the time I come and see me owners breakdown. And I wish I had me picture now to show you how the condition of my hair.
Fight them for an administration going and y'all fight them.
I want my money now. I need my money now. Pay me my money today. I want my money today. I forgot all my money needed today. That was his reaction.
I gave him money, we go down to the back at
I paid back Daveman
and we pay the back there and everything.
I paid back 3,000 I have.
I tell you, it's like that.
Let's make the best money.
Do you
And we
know?
never make the money here.
Plus
We got
200
We got some people in this
wickedness.
that they're going to be strong enough to do this. This is a hustle, they hustling people. I can bet you now that there's no count showing where these money they collecting going in. Yeah? And the amount of 6 million, I know all over now, 6 million a month. You could help these people out.
So unless these companies represent
No, well I intend to. That's why I'm here. But as if they want to be represented, because I will talk to these and 2 in this group here will go back.
So true, so true.
Until you understand the people, and that's what they're doing.